Welcome to the heart of innovation, where everyday convenience is meticulously crafted with precision and care. Join us on this journey.
Our journey begins with nature's finest. Sustainable fibers arrive, ready to embark on their transformation.
Each fiber, a testament to sustainable sourcing, begins its meticulous journey. Quality is paramount.
Automated inspections meticulously scan every bale, ensuring only the finest, purest fibers proceed.
Quality control starts here.
Here, the fibers begin their dissolution, transformed into a pristine pulp. This is where the magic of plate formation truly begins.
These tiny fibers, once part of a plant, now dance in water, preparing for their new purpose.
Through an intricate network, the refined slurry journeys onward, a smooth, consistent flow. Each pipe a vital artery. Human expertise guides the automated symphony. Technicians meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring flawless consistency and quality. Gracious. The purified slurry enters conditioning, where its consistency is perfected. This crucial step, subtle agitation, ensures perfect uniformity, a critical balance. Every fiber is precisely positioned for optimal plate strength and finish.
From individual fibers to a vast, harmonious system, each tank contributes to the perfect conditioning, precision at every scale.
The perfectly conditioned slurry flows with purpose, a river of potential. It now approaches the heart of our creation process.
Behold the titans of transformation, our hydraulic presses. Here, raw potential.
Every mold, a masterpiece of engineering, receives meticulous cleaning. This ensures each plate emerges flawlessly, a perfect impression.
With precise suction, a delicate layer of slurry embraces the heated mold. The plate's form begins to emerge, a nascent shape.
Colossal press descends with deliberate force, shaping the fibers. Under immense pressure, the plate's final form is exquisitely defined. With a gentle hiss, excess moisture escapes, a testament to intense heat and precision. And there it is, a perfectly formed plate, born of pressure and precision, a testament to meticulous engineering and sustainable design. With robotic precision, the delicate plate is gently lifted. This careful transfer ensures every plate remains unblemished, ready for the next stage. To the precisely heated ovens they go, where residual moisture is meticulously evaporated. This ensures unparalleled strength and durability. Advanced sensors constantly monitor temperature and humidity, ensuring perfect drying. Every plate emerges flawlessly dry and ready. Emerging from the warmth, each plate is impeccably dry, its structural integrity perfectly preserved, ready for the next meticulous stage. From individual plates to perfectly aligned stacks, our automated systems ensure flawless handling. Efficiency meets precision. Each stack represents a promise of quality, a perfect alignment. These plates are now prepared for their final transformation. Even with automation, the human touch remains vital. Expert eyes meticulously scrutinize every plate, ensuring absolute perfection. Proved, the plates glide towards final refinement. Laser-guided precision ensures every edge is flawlessly smooth, a touch of elegance.
A whisper of light, a laser's touch, perfects every contour. This ensures a smooth, safe edge.
Fine brushes gently caress each edge, achieving a silken smoothness. This final touch elevates the plate to absolute perfection.
The final gaze of an expert eye ensures every plate surpasses expectation. Only perfection earns our seal of approval.
The mark of quality, our eco-friendly brand label, is precisely applied. Each package represents our...
From the production line to our smart warehouse, every package embarks on its final journey. Organized, efficient, and ready for the world.
Our automated warehouse, a testament to efficiency, stores thousands of plates, each ready for... Every package is meticulously scanned, ensuring precise inventory and tracking. Our commitment to accuracy extends to every detail.
The journey culminates at our loading dock. Pallets of eco-plates are meticulously prepared for their global distribution, ready for homes.
Our fleet embarks, carrying sustainable solutions worldwide. From our factory to your table, eco-conscious convenience is delivered. Across highways and through communities, EcoPlates bring sustainable solutions closer to you, a commitment to a greener future.
Would you like another piece of fruit?
She is absolutely loving this picnic.
Our commitment to innovation and sustainability pulses at the heart of everything we do. A brighter future, crafted responsibly.
The sustainability report for the new EcoPlate line looks excellent.
The team worked hard to ensure we met all the targets.
From raw fiber to finished plate, our factory hums with purpose. A harmonious blend of innovation. Even at the molecular level, we ensure peak fiber quality. Our research and development team pushes the boundaries of sustainable materials.
Our scientists tirelessly innovate, pushing the boundaries of sustainable materials. Every discovery and
Throughout the conditioning process, samples are meticulously collected. This ensures consistent quality from start to the very end. Precise measurements are paramount. Automated systems ensure every test is conducted with scientific accuracy, guaranteeing optimal performance. Each plate undergoes rigorous tensile strength testing, pushing its limits. Only the strongest, most resilient designs make it to production. Virtual simulations refine every curve, every angle. Data-driven design ensures our plates are not just beautiful, but exceptionally robust. Inspired by future needs, our designers and engineers collaborate tirelessly. Their vision creates the next generation of sustainable plate solutions. From concept to tangible reality, 3D printing accelerates our innovation. We rapidly prototype. Prototypes face extreme conditions, ensuring every EcoPlate withstands real-world demands. Durability is not an option, but a guarantee.
Even in failure, there is knowledge. We analyze every stress point, continuously improving our designs for unparalleled strength.
Every data point informs our innovation. Our team meticulously analyzes results, pushing boundaries for stronger, more sustainable solutions.
Collaboration fuels our progress. Scientists and engineers converge, brainstorming the next breakthroughs in sustainable material science.
Our plate's return to nature is rigorously tested. We ensure complete biodegradability, leaving no trace behind, only enriched earth.
In our simulated composting field, we observe nature's work. This long-term research confirms that our plates genuinely enrich the earth.
Our journey begins in nature's embrace, where sustainable fibers flourish, a testament to our commitment to a greener planet.
Our sustainable harvesting methods ensure minimal environmental impact. We gather nature's bounty responsibly, preserving ecosystems for tomorrow.
From the fields, our precious cargo begins its journey. A seamless transition from nature's bounty to our innovative factory. Our commitment to sustainability isn't just a promise, it's measurable data. We continuously strive for a greener, more responsible footprint.
Transparency is key. We openly share our sustainable practices, inviting collaboration for a more eco-conscious future for all.
Our brochures tell the story of sustainability, educating consumers about responsible choices. Knowledge empowers a greener world.
Learning about sustainability begins at home. EcoPlates inspire conversations, fostering a new generation of environmental stewards. Children's imaginations bloom with sustainable ideas. EcoPlates inspire a hopeful vision for a future where nature thrives.
This is the world we strive to protect, a legacy for generations. EcoPlates are a small step towards a grander vision.
In harmony with nature, our plates offer a gentle touch. A reminder that sustainable choices protect the beauty surrounding us.
Imagine a future where sustainability is woven into every aspect of life. EcoPlates are a part of that visionary, greener tomorrow.
I could stay here all day. The atmosphere is incredible.
Isn't the yam salad?
And the yam salad on these plates?
Yeah.
Wow.
In this future, waste is intelligently managed. Eco-plates are effortlessly sorted, returning to nature with advanced precision.
Our cities embrace circularity, transforming waste into valuable resources. This automated compost. In the future, plates are born from bioluminescent fibers, a fusion of nature and advanced science.
The future factory operates with silent, intelligent precision. Human ingenuity guides advanced automation, crafting perfection with every plate.
Beyond function, eco-plates become art. Elegant bioluminescent patterns grace each plate.
From sky-high factories, drones deliver sustainable convenience. Eco-plates arrive swiftly, quietly, and with zero emissions.
Even at home, sustainability is intuitive. Smart composting bins effortlessly return eco-plates to nature, completing the cycle.
From compost to table, eco-plates nourish life. Vertical gardens bloom, a testament to
More than a plate, it's a statement. Eco-plates stand as icons of sustainable design, merging beauty with ecological responsibility. Recognized for their profound impact, eco-plates inspire appreciation. They symbolize a future where
a touch of hope, a connection to a brighter future. Eco-plates inspire wonder, reminding us of our collective power for change.
From a single factory, a global movement grows. Eco-plates reach every corner of the world, inspiring sustainable choices everywhere.
Across cultures, across continents, eco-plates unite us. A simple choice, a powerful statement for
From our hands to the cosmos, eco-plates represent a promise, a commitment.
As the sun sets, our commitment endures. Every eco-plate is a step. Eco-plates sustainable by design for a world that thrives. Choose consciously, live beautiful. Join our journey.